Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to know if your breast pump is working effectively. Many mothers use a pump daily, but are not always sure if they are getting the best results from it. The first sign of an effective pump session is comfort. Pumping should feel smooth and manageable, not painful or uncomfortable. If you feel discomfort, it may be a sign that something needs adjustment. Another important sign is how your milk flows during the session. In the beginning, it may take a few minutes, but once the flow starts, it should feel steady. A consistent flow usually means the pump is working properly. You can also observe how your breasts feel after pumping. They should feel lighter and more comfortable compared to before the session. This indicates that milk has been removed effectively. It is also helpful to notice the duration of your sessions. If you are taking too long without much output, it may mean the settings or technique need improvement. Checking the pump parts is very important. Clean, properly assembled parts help the pump function correctly. Even small issues like loose connections can affect performance. You should also make sure the suction level feels comfortable. Very high suction is not always better. A comfortable and steady level often gives better results. Consistency in your routine also plays a role. When you pump regularly, your body responds better, and sessions become more effective over time. If you feel that your results are not improving, you can try small adjustments like changing timing, position, or relaxing more before starting. Taking care of your body is also important. Staying hydrated, eating properly, and getting rest supports your overall pumping experience. Over time, you will start understanding how your body responds and what works best for you. With the right setup, proper technique, and a calm approach, your breast pump can work effectively and support your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.